So here's the thing, guys. Something happened to my car yesterday. I got a rock chip. So these guys have the best reviews here in Brisbane. Jason, how you going?
Good, how you going yourself?
Guys, this is Jason. He's one of the owners here at Novus Glass. We're over at Archerfield Airport, opposite that. And I got a rock chip yesterday on this thing. And Jason's gonna fix it for me. Thank you very much, Jason.
We'll make it look brand new.
See if I can get that. It's not the great. Oh, there we go. There's the crack. It's not huge, but happened last night. I just showed up, unannounced, and Jason said he was free to do this for me. So thank you, Jason.
No problems at all.
And limitations on what you can fix. That's a pretty small one, but if that was bigger, would that be all right?
We always try to repair within roadworthy standards, but if you need to get more life out of your windscreen and just need that rock chip repaired, all their repairs come with a lifetime guarantee. And as long as you're happy with what the outcome will be, we can repair it. So what we're doing here is drilling to gain nice clear access to the damage. This will allow the resin to flow in nicely.
What kind of resin are you putting in there? Is that stuff I can get from Autobahn?
It certainly is not. So all Novus's resins are developed by Novus. Novus worldwide have to come to me. It's an exclusive product. And all repairs, as stated, come with a lifetime nationwide guarantee using Novus's proprietary products. We can also do crack repairs in certain situations where the glass might be quite expensive to replace, or if it's not available. If you've got a crack that's say 100mm or 200mm long, we can repair that.
Really? That's pretty big.
to give you control on when you replace it. A crack repair like that would not necessarily meet roadworthy standards for point of sale, but it will certainly extend the life of your glass. So what I'm going to do now is just neutralise the damage. So we'll just give that a little tap there. This is just going to make sure that we've got nice, clean, easy access into the breakage, which will allow the resin to flow in there without too much trouble. As stated, all our tooling, our injectors, the bridge, resins are all Novus products.
So you couldn't use that, you couldn't get that in Autobahn?
I don't even own these. Novus leased these to us under a contract. Other products on the market still do a job. It just, quality is quality. So with this product, you're going to get a quality repair done. It'll come with a lifetime nationwide guarantee. We'll look around 90% clearer than what the damage looked previously, and takes around 20 to 30 minutes.
So yesterday I got a crack in the car and I wanted it fixed straight away. It is in my beloved Supra. So what I had done was I decided I'm not going to go ahead with an Autobahn or a super cheap one. It's too nice of a car. I jumped on Google and I have a local O'Brien's, had a look through their reviews. I wasn't too impressed with the reviews. Had a look at a few more, and Jeff, my mate from Exclusive Wraps, actually said he dropped his car down here at Novus out at Archerfield. Looked up their reviews, awesome as reviews, not just about the product, not just about what they do, but Jason, one of the owners here, a lot of people specifically mention his name, and that's the thing that got me interested. Jason looked after me, Jason did it on the spot, Jason this, and they all love Jason. So I've come down here, I've showed him my car, he's gone through a lot of things with me and you guys now, and really good explanations, really good understanding, and he said, Rich, I can do it right now for you. So you can't really go past that, guys. He's working on the car now, we'll go ask him a few more questions, see what's happening, and we'll have a look at the final product soon.
So this is just a pretty standard vacuum pump. And we want to try to evacuate as much air as possible from the damage to allow that resin to have full penetration. We do this for 1 to 3 minutes depending on the type of breakage, and yeah, it gets around 30 bar of mercury vacuum. So,
And that just, you're saying, removes all the air to put as much
all.
resin in as possible.
Yeah. Put a different type of resin, a thicker resin that'll, it's what we call a pit filler, so it's more resistant to UV. We'll polish that smooth after it cures, and you've got a repaired chip.
Cool. Can't wait to see it. So this is the UV stuff, hey? So this gives it the longevity?
It's a thicker resin that blocks out. We might have to show that.
What is that?
Ultraviolet light to set the resin hard. Takes 3 to 5 minutes, and then we polish it all off once it's all finished.
Wow, that thing looks pretty serious. All right, we're having a look.
Yeah, so we'll peel that off. Then we'll squirt just a little bit of cleaner.
Oh my God. That's magic.
Novus number 2 polish.
Can't see where it was.
Can't even see where it was, huh?
I think it was between, but
We'll give that a polish.
you know it's good when you don't know where it was.
Give that a clean off all this.
Wow, it's the tiniest little
Dot.
yeah.
So you
Just
get a little spot on
tiny-
the surface where the resin fills the void left from the rock chip and builds up that smooth layer of glass again. Mostly, depending on the angle of the light source, will completely disappear. Good result, good repair.
Thank you, Jason.
Thanks for coming in.
Man, look, like that's, you got to get it on the right angle and you can just see these little dots. That's it. Now if I zoom out, that's it. It's gone. So from eye vision, which is here, can't see anything. Wow. Jason, thank you so much, mate. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
So let me just clean the rest of that windscreen.
Jason, it's God. Mate, again, I gotta say thank you. Shake your hand one more time. It's been an awesome experience, mate. Thank you so much for doing that for me. Guys, Novus Glass right opposite Archerfield Airport. This has been a really cool experience. Jason's actually shared so much information with me off screen. He's very happy to share his experience and information to make sure you walk away knowing as much as you can. Here we go, Mr. Lin. it begins. I hear another N.
I launched the Corolla at like 6,000 RPM.
Do you
How
reckon
many
this?
kilometers you got on that thing? Enough? That's alright, your brake you can fix anyway.
Side on. I'm scared.
Good, Jeff. Hey, how was that?
Mate, that was incredible. What tickets you got?
What's the next stop?
Lakeside.
Lakeside. Ah, yeah.
Wasn't even Wayne. I know. Snogged.
Oh, this is actually pretty cool job over there as well. Can you pan it? We just park on the grass here. He's made it! Hey, what's going on?
I had to. Everyone is getting like competitive now.
Is that cool?
Fast.
Yes. I'm gonna look for your car on track. How'd you go? Was that fun?
Yeah, fucking hell.
That's my salad.
It actually is.